So I felt it was going to be important to do an introductory portion of this video series. As of right now, this video series is a free series that I am providing on a free Telegram chat for anybody that's looking to begin their career in trading. As I'm making this series, I have no idea how in depth I'm going to go because I do have a paid group and one-on-one students and the whole thing. But I do know that I'm going to provide as much value as possible in order for me to be able to help you with your trading career. Now, it's important for me to explain what this is and why we're doing it. When I started trading, and many of the people that I've taught over the years, I've been coaching people for about 5 or 6 years. I've had this group for about 3 years. So one-on-one has been about 5 or 6 years, and the group has been about 3 years, going on 3 years. One thing that is very true is that in the beginning, people waste a lot of money on things that should be free. If you've contacted me on Instagram, which is what we're looking at right now, my Instagram page, you know full well that I basically give out free resources. That's what I do. If somebody is fresh and brand new, I don't want your money. I don't want your money because I don't know if you really want to learn how to trade. I know that you may be enticed by seeing results like this one from a student where this person made $1,900. Okay. That is someone who earned their income. They earned their profit there. I didn't hand them anything. They've been dealing with trading for a while. They finally learned how to trade. It is their own efforts. If you read the disclaimer at the beginning of this video, it clearly states, I am not a financial advisor. That's not what I do. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I simply give you my opinion on what's worked for me and maybe worked for others. But at the end of the day, the responsibility of success falls on the shoulders of the trader. And no one should tell you what to do with your money unless, you really, really trust them. And there's not a lot of people in this world that I know that I can trust with my income and my money and my investment. So when I decided to learn how to trade, I spent a lot of money on basics, not knowing that they were basics. How to get a broker, how to get what definitions I needed to know, certain words that I just didn't know what they were, and they overwhelmed me. And then I thought, you know what, let me pay some people to actually learn this. And guess what? They didn't provide the information that I needed, or the information was very flimsy, but the price point was very high. So ever since I started educating people, I've been doing it differently. If you don't know me, I suggest that you go to my Instagram at Gustavo Zapz, add me, turn on those notifications, and watch. I feel that if a person really knows where I'm coming from, they'll take this free course way more seriously. Because people hear free and they think fluff, they think BS. Now, a lot of the people that did join this free Telegram channel, if it's still free, because I know that maybe at some point in the future, this course may get too strong, and then I'll start charging people a slight fee for it. But the people who trusted me in the beginning, the hundreds of you who joined this group, you got it for free, okay? So, if you don't know me and you think that we're going to give out some fluff value here, then you don't know me very well. That's not how I work. If I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. Now, right now, I am struggling with, am I giving out too much or am I not giving out enough? So I'm going to do what I feel like doing and what I'm comfortable doing. But most importantly, what I want you to do is to feel comfortable and trusting that what you're going to learn here is worth your time. Because even though this is free, your time still holds value. And my time holds value. And I would never want anyone to feel like they wasted their time. So the most important thing right now is for you to be able to give this however long it takes for you to complete this course, to complete it with real full attention and not skip through it. Take the time to learn the terminology and the concepts that I've given you. What I am doing in this course is I am purposely going to these different resources that are free. And I am going and I'm picking the things that I know are of utmost importance from the beginning. You could fill in the blanks later. Right now, you want to find out whether or not this is for you. That is the goal with this course. I want to give you a realistic overview of what trading is. I want to give you a way to approach these charts. Throw some trades in the market on some demo accounts to be able to practice. I want you to feel what it's like to trade. From there, I also want you to maybe learn some stuff. Maybe learn some things you didn't know about trading, some concepts, some terminology, some approaches you didn't know, and help you in the journey. Okay, when I first started, I was overwhelmed by terminology. I was overwhelmed by installing things. I didn't know what programs to download. I didn't even know how to just basically read a trend, how to turn on the candles, like little things that are, I don't even think about them anymore. if you've been trading for a while, you don't think about these things. But to a beginner, it's very overwhelming, and that is what I'm trying to avoid. I'm trying to help you with that part of your career, the beginning, the part that slaughters the most people. Most people come into trading. You're speaking to someone who's dealt with so many people. All you need to do is go to my Instagram and start scrolling, all right? And you will see the different testimonials, and you could keep scrolling. You can, oh, by the way, I have a podcast. Subscribe. Link in bio. Go check that link out for different things like gear and things like that. You'll find different testimonials, right? Wherever you see my face is more than likely a testimonial or something along those lines, okay? And these are all people that you can find. Sometimes I have to hide the name, but check the comments. Usually they comment on it, or you'll find somebody else that's in the group. And I do that on purpose because you should be able to do your own due diligence to reach out to people and find out if that air quotes guru on the internet is as good as he says he is. I leave it up to people. If you don't trust me there, you can go to my YouTube channel, watch some of that stuff. It's free. Go on YouTube and just watch this stuff, right? Free content to help you with your trading. Some of it is testimonials and humble bragging. Other stuff is actual training that can help you with your trading journey. My goal with this course is simply to show you what it's like to be a trader, and then you can make better decisions as you move forward. Okay, this introductory part of this course is important to me because you need to know that you're about to spend a couple of hours of your time possibly, and even after this course, you may join my group, you may get one-on-one coaching, you may go to a different platform, but you need to know that your education is of utmost importance. And if you don't have the time or the desire to learn this, don't even get started. But if you're somebody who's looking for something else, to build a skill, to maybe dive into something that you find very interesting and you're willing to give it time, my suggestion to you is to do what I tell my students to do, is to do what I did, which is treat it like a hobby that you have a whole lot of interest and passion for. Give it love, water it like a plant, and see where it goes. Don't come into this thinking that you're going to become a millionaire, because honestly, if you didn't read that disclaimer, results are not guaranteed. And most people lose money in the market because you already know how most people are. They join a platform or they get a course or they Google something and they're ready to throw real money into the market. It's a big mistake. I'm not your financial manager. I'm only giving you my opinion on the market. But my opinion, I feel, holds some historical weight. So I'm just trying to help you out to the best of my ability without actually telling you what to do with your money. So that's it. All right. My name is Gustavo. You can come to my Instagram. You can turn on notifications. You can subscribe. You can add me. You can do whatever the hell you want. But one thing that I need you to know by the time this video is over, I need you to make that decision. Are you truly interested in trading, or do you just think this is a money grab, a way to play poker with the market? If you think that, after the next video, you're going to realize that this is the wrong game to have that mentality in. All right, let's keep going.